Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to sqadia.com. My name is Muhammad Osama, and today we are talking about data collection in medical statistics and research. In this series of lecture, we're going to talk about data collection forms and the quality of data. We're also going to talk about form filling and coding, on how to design questions, on how to design questionnaires, and psychometrics, validity, and reliability of different questionnaires and outcome measurement tools. So in data collection forms and data quality, we are going to talk about paper forms, e-forms, also known as electronic data capture, and piloting and the quality of data and how to enhance the quality of data. In the next section, we are going to talk about form filling, how the form should be filled, and how can we train our fellow researchers who would be collecting the data to fill the forms correctly, or if the patients are filling the forms, how should they fill the form correctly. We're also going to talk about coding of the data based on the forms so that we can enter that data into different type of software such as SPSS. We're also going to talk about how we deal with missing data at the level of form filling and coding. In the next section, we're going to talk about how we design the questions in a research process and what is the difference between facts and opinions while we are collecting data. We're also going to talk about open and close-ended questions in data collection, and we're also going to talk about how can we design good questions for the research purpose. After that, we're going to talk about how can we design questionnaires and what should be the good layout for a questionnaire. We're also going to talk about Likert scales, visual analog scale, numeric rating scale, and other type of scales which we can use in our questionnaires for data collection of different variables. At the end, we're going to talk about psychometrics, validity, and reliability of questionnaires and outcome measurement tools, in which we are going to talk about how can we design a new measurement tool and how can we check its validity and reliability and how are they important. I hope these different topics would be beneficial for you in your medical practice and research. And for more lectures like this, keep on watching sqadia.com. Thank you very much.